We're putting it straight on YouTube. Straight on YouTube. Hello. Sarah. Tell them about the turkeys. Do your head thingy to my shoulder. Do your head thingy. Do it. Do it. Come on, Sarah. Come on.
I'm being a hermit.
Don't be shy.
Oh, it hurts my eyes.
Abuse you. Do it, beat her.
Ow.
Do it.
Do it now.
It will be freaking hilarious. Do it.
Oh, my eyes. I'm trying.
Do that.
Do it. I'll give you your laptop back if you do it. Again. You didn't do it. Do it. Do it.
I'll do it later.
No, you have to do it right now. Do it to my shoulder.
What? Do
No,
it to
you-
my shoulder. Give the laptop back before she comes in.